If research makes you feel nauseous, scared, or anxious, don't fret. This video will share one simple way to conduct research for an argumentative essay utilizing the Randolph C. Watson Library's databases. As a library patron, you have access to these databases. Let's put them to good use. We will begin at the library's homepage, library.kilgore.edu. Click Databases. You can click below the search bar or the research drop-down at the top. Click on General or Miscellaneous. Then scroll down and click on Opposing Viewpoints. If you scroll down on this page, you will see several topics listed. If you click on the title of a section, it will bring up a larger list of issues, or you can type search terms in the search box on the main page. For this example, let's type in DACA program. Then press Enter. The section in gray shows the types of information sources available. The ones you may find most helpful are the viewpoints and the academic journals. Click on Viewpoints to show only the articles in that section. To narrow your results, click on the box next to Full Text Documents. If peer-reviewed journals is an option, always make sure you click that box too. This will help you find more focused, reliable resources. Click on a title to bring up that article. The article commentary is much like a summary of the article. Reading this section first can help you decide if this is a beneficial article for your research. As you read, you can add highlight and notes to text within the article. Once you've decided to use this article, make sure to get the citation information for the article or you won't be able to use it. Click Cite in the toolbar or at the end of the article. Choose the format specified by your professor. You can then export the citation to an external citation tool or location, or you can copy and paste the citation directly into your paper. To be able to use the article later with all of your highlighting and notes, use the Send To feature in the toolbar. Make sure to choose a location you can find later. You can also download and/or print the article. Let's look at another database. Go to the library's homepage. Click on Databases again and find General Miscellaneous. Next, click on Academic Search Complete. Enter your search terms in the box. Now let's search vaccinations. Click the box for full text to retrieve focused sources. Let's also click peer-reviewed to get reliable sources. Once you have found an article you think might be helpful, click either PDF full text or HTML full text, depending on what is available and what you're the most comfortable with. Since PDF full text is the only option here, I'll choose that. Once you have decided to use this article, make sure to get the citation for your paper. You can do this by clicking the yellow page icon for citations on the right-hand toolbar. You can now copy the citation or export it to an external bibliographic software. To highlight and add notes, download the article. Make sure to note where you save it, either to your desktop, to your downloads folder, or to a specific folder. Name it something you will remember. Once downloaded, right-click the file and choose Open with Adobe Acrobat. This will allow you to highlight, add sticky notes, and save your annotations. Again, you have the option to email or print the article. If you have additional questions, feel free to use our Ask a Librarian service on the website or send a chat via Instagram or Facebook. You can follow us on either platform by searching Kilgore College Library. We also encourage you to visit Watson Library for staff assistance or the writing studio.